Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make an easy but delicious sweet and sour shrimp, which is a perfect dish to eat with rice. Let's get started. To make the sauce, we will be using 1/4 cup ketchup, 5 tablespoons water, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Stir it until everything is well combined. Set it aside for later use. Use the paper towels to pat dry the shrimps. It helps ensure a good sear to give your shrimp the best possible texture. Once the shrimps are dry, we can pan fry them. Add 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimps and turn the heat to low. Quickly flip the shrimps, add the minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon salt and pepper. Cook the shrimps until the shrimps curl into a C shape and immediately take the shrimps out. Turn the heat back to high, add red onion, stir until it is fragrant. Add in the sweet and sour sauce. Once the sauce thickens, add the shrimps. Cook for another 15 seconds. Lastly, add green peas, then it is done. The perfect balance of sweet and sour, they're sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!